I think our church today need to adopt this method to keep people fit while in the presence of God. It's not everything that will live in the hands of the God Almighty directly. We can't be leaving everything in the hands of God. We should be able to distinguish between when we're in the presence of God and when we're in our comfort zone. You cannot deliberately leave your home to church where you feel you're coming to the presence of God, and at the end of the day, while preaching is going on, worshiping is going on, you are busy pressing your phone. This method, I like this method that they are doing. Even me myself, I'm guilty of this. Sometimes I'm always in the church pressing phone. But when and if our OSHA can stand up to this standard, start seizing people's phone while in church, while preaching is going on, while worshiping is going on, if you're pressing phone, they should seize it from your hands. I think I will buy that at the 100%. I will buy the at the 100%. We can't continue leaving everything onto hands of God. We know that what we're doing is wrong. Let's assume just within us. If you are in the presence of your boss in office, if your director, your MD is talking to you, will you be pressing phone? Will you be pressing phone? So I guess this method would be the best method that would make us sit up in the presence of God. I didn't see anything wrong in this. Thanks.